Hello and welcome to Slightly But Not Official. Today we have Mr. Donald Rump. Welcome, Mr. Rump.
Glad to be here.
What we're going to talk about here is Slightly But Not Official about the war.
This is a very touchy question. What is it exactly you want to talk about?
To let the world know, we would like to know what kind of rump roast you have for the war. The world thinks of your roast to be the best around the world. We want your roast to be on everyone's plate through this undetermined act. So won't this cost you if we ask, or can you have liberty to ask?
My rump roast does not come cheap, and it is a very satisfying taste, and I am here to let you know, it is free for our soldiers.
I notice you are not quite comfortable in my oversized chair. Could I offer you a drink of water? You look uncomfortable. Well, okay, we're about out of time. We did find where all of our roast comes from. Donald Rump, it's been nice, and I guess the wood grateful for your roast. Oh my goodness. Bathroom to the left. Looks like the chair made it. Well, there you have it, Mr. Donald Rump, and his roast to save the world. Thank God my chair made it. No brown spots today. See you next time on Slightly But Not Official.